In an era where privacy is paramount, communication needs to be secure. The use of insecure and non-compliant communication tools increases the risk of data breaches in a time where privacy concerns are on the rise. It's time to take control of your conversations. Introducing Salt Communications, your ultimate secure communications solution. We see security beyond encryption, allowing organizations to regain control from who is invited onto the system to how their data is retained. Make crystal clear voice calls, send private real-time messaging, and push important one-way broadcast messages with trust, knowing your conversations are safe from prying eyes. Share sensitive information and have complete control over data retention policies, with the ability to restrict copy and paste, media downloading, and message burn or deletion capabilities. That freedom that comes with control unlocks the confidence to share more. It powers faster decision-making, empowers entire teams, and increases efficiency. Faster, safer, and effortlessly deployable, discover why thousands of organizations across every continent place their confidence in Salt. Speak to our technical team now at saltcommunications.com and start communicating with confidence.